they're all looking for you. Where are you when he's calling? Hey guys, Paul here. I've set up the LM386 power amplifier integrated circuit chip right here on the breadboard. Now what I did is on eBay, I got this LM386 power amplifier kit. See there with the really handy printed circuit board all ready to go with all the components, including an audio in jack and power input jack, all the required capacitors and resistors. But I've ordered a new soldering iron and I'm waiting for that to come through, and I just could not help but set up the LM386 chip. So I followed this guy's YouTube video, Philo Merc. I'm putting a link to his video in the description below. Really helpful. And I've just got a small transistor radio here going into an 8 ohm speaker. Check out just with that 9-volt battery and with this LM386 how much volume I'm getting out of this little 8 ohm speaker. I mean, that is really loud. Obviously distorted there, but I mean, you can play with the well, get it kind of clear. And you can control the quality of the sound through experimenting with different value capacitors here. Let me show you guys a cool feature about the LM386 chip here. Pins 1 and 8 are the gain inputs. So check out, if I don't bridge them, if I remove this small capacitor here, I think I got a 100 microfarad capacitor. See how the volume drops? Again, I'll show you what I mean. I'll remove that. Hear that drop? And get in here. Got to be pretty nimble. Small breadboard. I've actually got a larger breadboard on order from China. Hear that? That volume boost. So that's pins 1 and 8 are the gain, pins 2 and 3 are the inputs. Pin 4 is a ground pin. Actually, that's being bridged from the positive rail as well with a very small capacitor going into pin 4, and that in turn going to ground. Pin 5 is the output going to this 1000 microfarad capacitor into the positive terminal of that capacitor. The negative terminal of that large capacitor is going into the positive lead here, the yellow lead of the 8 ohm speaker. So that output, the negative terminal of the capacitor, is going into the positive lead of the 8 ohm speaker. Audio input. Coming from the transistor radio. The positive lead of the audio input is going into this lead on the potentiometer here. The middle lead of the potentiometer is our output that's going into pin 3 on the IC. Again, pin 3 on the IC is an input, so that's basically the data out. If you want to think of it in terms of the Arduino, that would be your data out there. And this pin on the end, this purple lead you see here, is going directly to ground. So that's how that potentiometer works. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more cool breadboard projects. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys real soon. Attacks coming his way, and he handled the Fox thing as best he could. But I think his youth is a weakness, and Chrissy's playing it up. Is youth a weakness?